Hi, I'm Petra and this is my channel Petra Goes Outdoors. I got a package and I will show you what's inside in a bit. Now I show you the content of this box. Rainy Rossmann says it's the last ferro rod of your life, and I will show you why in a moment. Rainy Rossmann is from Austria and he develops new products for survival and the outdoors. He has also written several books and he offers survival courses, and I'm very honored to show you his product. Okay, let's open the package. Product inside, designed by Rainy Rossmann. Oh, I got a few patches too. They are really nice. Now I open this envelope with the ferro rod. Here we first have an elastic cord to attach it to the ferro rod. And here is the ferro rod. And now you can imagine why he said that this is the last ferro rod of your life. Given the size, this statement is not surprising. The color is military green. Now to the product data. The ferro rod is completely 205 mm long. The steel length is 120 mm, of which only 110 mm is visible. The diameter is 12 mm. The widest point is 25 mm wide. The handle is hollow and has a screw-off cap with a rubber seal, so that the contents stay dry. The cavity is not small. You could put your tinder there, which would make sense. But you can also add fishing tools, depending on what you want. The ferro rod is very high quality and weighs 142 grams. In my opinion, it's too heavy for hiking tours, but for my base camp, it's perfect. And now I will try it. The sparks are great and very hot. The material here consists of wood chips and thin birch bark, which I just picked apart a bit. If you like this product, please check his website. As you could see, the ferro rod works very well. The sparks are very hot and yeah, I would recommend it. I know it's not the cheapest ferro rod you can get, but I think it's worth it. So, thank you for watching my video and I hope I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.